Apostle Herman Bibbs, and I want to ask you a question. Have you ever prayed needing a financial miracle, and when things didn't happen quite like you thought they should, you thought maybe God didn't answer you? You were expecting that great financial overflow, and it didn't seem to come. I want to read an interesting scripture to you in Luke chapter 2, verse 52. And Jesus increased in wisdom and stature and in favor with God and man. You see, Christians many times make the mistake of looking for God to come one particular way. And if he does not come the way that they expect, they feel, well, God just didn't answer my prayer. But I want you to know that every one of you listening to me now, God has given you favor. That's right, my friends. And I want you to understand that he's giving you favor with God and favor with man. And so many times when you're looking for God to just come and give that tremendous overflow of money, instead, he decides to give you favor. I've learned something, that favor is better than money. Today is the beginning of a new day in your life. Realize that you walk in God's favor. And if God is for you, he's more than the whole world against you. This is Apostle Herman Bibbs, and you have just been repaired.